Hello all, welcome to your schemes. I'm Ilakya. I hope you're all doing well. Kotak Mahindra Bank has recently revised its fixed deposit interest rate. This bank is now offering up to 7.75% on fixed deposit. So today in this video, we are going to see new fixed deposit interest rate, and we will also see how much you will get if you invest 1 lakh, 5 lakh, 10 lakh in Kotak Bank. We bring to you latest bank news and financial updates. We also talk about LIC policies, post office schemes and mutual funds. So please make sure to subscribe to your schemes and hit the bell icon. Let's first see some of the features from this bank. The minimum deposit amount under Kotak Bank is rupees 5,000 and the maximum amount is no limit. For premature closure, 1% penalty will be applicable. The plus point is you can book your fixed deposit online through Kotak mobile banking app. Let's now see the new fixed deposit interest rate. For deposits maturing between 7 days to less than 6 months, for general customers, the interest rate ranges from 2.75% to 4.25%. For the same tenure, senior citizens will get 3.25% to 4.75%. For deposits maturing in 6 months, that is 180 days, general public will get 7%, senior citizens it is 7.5%. For a tenure of 6 months to 389 days, general customers 6% to 7.1%, whereas senior citizens they will get 6.5% to 7.6%. For a tenure of 390 days, that is 12 months and 25 days, general public will get 7.15% and senior citizens will get 7.65%. For a tenure of 391 days to less than 2 years, except 23 months, general public will get 7.20% and senior citizens will get 7.70%. For a tenure of 23 months, general public will get 7.25%, senior citizens will get 7.75%. For deposits maturing between 2 years to 3 years, general public will get 7%, senior citizens 7.5%. 3 years to 4 years, general public 6.5%, senior citizens 7%. 4 years to 5 years, general public will get 6.25%, senior citizens will get 6.75%. And for deposits maturing between 5 years to 10 years, general public will get 6.20%, senior citizens will get 6.70%. From the list, we see that the highest interest rate offered to general public is 7.25% and for senior citizens the highest interest rate is 7.75%. This is for a tenure of 23 months. For the highest interest rate of 7.25% and tenure of 23 months, if you invest 1 lakh rupees, you will earn an interest of 14,764 rupees. And if you invest 5 lakh, you will get an interest of 73,823 rupees. And if you invest 10 lakh rupees in Kotak Bank, you will earn an interest of 1,47,647 rupees. If you feel this information was helpful, then please hit the like button. It means a lot. For more similar videos, please subscribe to Your Schemes. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.